Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Viper mask free avatar decoration on Discord. It is a collab with Valorant, of course. Go to the quest section here. It's just in the homepage kind of. Scroll down and it says claim a Viper mask avatar decoration. Play Valorant for 15 minutes with your Discord client open to unlock a Viper mask avatar decoration for 2 months. Accept quest. Make sure you have Valorant opened. And I think you have to be online to do these quests, or probably not. I don't know. But just make sure you have the Valorant open. You don't have to actually play the game if you don't want to. But I'm gonna just go and quickly play it because I have been playing Valorant again. So yeah, just make sure you have your Discord client opened, and also make sure you are playing the game, or just have the game opened for 15 minutes, and you'll get this really neat Viper mask decoration. I will be right back once I've claimed it to show you guys what it looks like, so I will be right back. Once you're done, you're just going to claim your reward here or here. Check I am human. Oh my gosh, why does it lag so much? And this is what it looks like. Super neat. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!